Hi everyone, Maria here. Today I want to talk about the Google Search Console. I just did mine, so I thought I'd share this with you. This is a powerful tool by Google. It's where this Google Search Console. It's a free tool by Google that helps you track your site, and it appears as a search result, verifying your website and gives you access to important data like uh, Google views, how Google views your site, website search performance. It helps fix issues with indexing and submitting a site maps for better ranking. It also helps with some security alerts that you might get and that Google will detect as any problems on the screen. Because if whether you're a business owner, an affiliate marketer, a blogger, someone that's working online, it's always great to have this powerful tool to verify your website. It's a good way to get powerful insights because you're going to get those too, some insights about how your website is performing. So today we're just going to talk about why you should verify your site, which we just talked about, the benefits of using the Google search console, which we talked about, some pros and cons. There's not many very many cons. Let's say that like two, three times. And the step-by-step guide on how to do it, which is real simple and easy, boy, because if I can do it, everyone can. So some of the benefits that we talked about was search engine optimization, SEO insights, indexing control, fixing any issues really fast, improve mobility performance. As we know, most people are using their phones now and their mobile devices and submitting site maps. And that helps Google understand your site structure and better ranking. Basically, if you want to grow your website and rank higher on Google, Search Engine Console is a must. Any pros and cons? Well, now, are there any downsides? Well, not really. But there's some things to keep in mind that this is not a no direct ranking boost, and it's a technical learning curve. But you got to keep it simple. You don't have to work with all of it. It's more techy than anybody could. I really wants to get into. I know I don't. So I just want to share the basics. Here we go. I'm going to be using Cloudflare. I'm going to show you the step by step. This is in the Google search engine. Here's the site, search.google.com search engine console. Welcome. So what you have to do is you got to verify it here with this side. I don't know how to use this, so I'm going to show you with domain. I'm going to go right over to my hoster, domain host, which is Cloudflare. And in Cloudflare, I'm going to pick up my domain, which is this one. I already did the one above it. I have a few domains, but I have these two here in Cloudflare. I'm gonna use Cloudflare. So I'm gonna go back. I copied it. I'm gonna go back to Google Search Console and I'm gonna type it here. Okay, and I'm gonna say continue. Once I hit continue, you have, let's see, can't verify your domain name provider. It says try URL. Okay, it wants me to try this. Okay, I have no clue how to use that. I just did the other one, so I'm going to take you through the steps and pretend that this is uh working here because I don't know why it's not working for me. Continue. Usually what you would have here is you would have let's see, you would have please start verification below to verify steps. Please wait for verification to complete before you close the tab. So let's start the verification. And that's not how I did the first one, but something's always different, isn't it? It never works as easily as you uh, imagine. So let's see what happens here. And, oh, okay, this one says authorize. This is going to be different. That one was easy. Let's see. And that was it. And now it's going to be verified. Now the other way, okay, It's done. It's done. It did it on its own. Okay, done. The other way that I wanted to show you, in case that doesn't work, that one's real easy. That's now it happened earlier with the other website, is you put your website here and it's going to have, you're going to stick your website here and then it's going to have a domain to copy. You'll see it, it'll say click. So you put the domain here, continue, and then once you get a page that comes up, it won't come up now for me. It will have to copy a URL. You copy the URL, and then you would have to go back to your hoster, whoever's hosting, and you have to go to that website. And I'm just taking you through the steps. I can't show you, but I'm already doing this video, so I'm going to continue. You go to DNS. This is the second way. The first way was really easy. It connected it on its own. And you're going to add that site, that URL you would have copied from here. You would add a new record. And you would go add a record. And then you would take it, you would go, it would be a TXT record. And you would have to go to TXT record. You would add the @ sign. And